Hello friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit 2 Swings. In previous lectures, lecture number 14, we have studied icons, JLabel, JTextField, JTextArea. From these controls, next two controls we are going to study in this lecture: button, JCheckbox. Buttons. Swing buttons provide features that are not found in the button class defined by AWT. For example, we can associate an icon with a swing button. Swing buttons are subclasses of the abstract button class, which extends JComponent. Abstract button contains many methods that allow us to control the behavior of buttons, checkbox, and radio buttons. For example, we can define different icons that are displayed for the component when it is disabled, pressed, or selected. Another icon can be used as rollover icon, which is displayed when the mouse is positioned over that component. The following are the methods that control this behavior: void set disabled icon into bracket icon di, which sets the disabled icon. Next method, void set pressed icon into bracket icon pi. When we are pressing that button, that icon will be set. Next method, void set selected icon si. When we are selecting that button, at that time selected icon will be displayed. Void set rollover icon into bracket icon ri. When mouse is roll over on that button, then rollover icon will be displayed. Like this, these are the four methods which handles the icons. Here di, pi, si and ri are the icons to be used for these different conditions. The text associated with a button can be read and written via the following methods. To read the text associated with the button, we are using the method getText, string getText method. And to write the text to the button, we are using the setText method, void setText into bracket string yes. Here yes is the text to be associated with the button. Concrete subclasses of abstract button generate action events. Button, J checkbox, J radio button, these are the concrete subclasses of abstract button, and they are generating the action events when they are pressed. Listeners register and unregister for these events via the methods shown here. To handle the button events, we need to register the listener, and that is done by using the following method: void add action listener into bracket action listener al, void remove action listener into bracket action listener al. Like this, we are registering and unregistering the listeners. Here al is the action listener. Abstract button is a superclass for push buttons, checkboxes, and radio buttons. Now see the JButton class. JButton class. The JButton class provides the functionality of a push button. In AWT it is a button class. In Swing we are doing it is a JButton class. JButton class provides the functionality of a push button. JButton allows an icon, string, and or both to be associated with the push button. Some of its constructors are shown here. First constructor, JButton icon I. Second, JButton string yes into bracket string yes. JButton into bracket string yes comma icon I. Third constructor. Like this constructors are there. Here yes and I are the string and icon used for the button. JButton into bracket icon I creates a button with icon. Second constructor creates the button push button which having the string yes as its value string. Third constructor JButton string yes comma icon I both will be displayed, string as well as icon. Like this, these are the three constructors for JButton class. Consider example. In this example displays 4 push buttons and a text field. Each button displays an icon that represents the flag of a country. When a button is pressed, the name of that country is displayed in the text field. The applet begins by getting its content pane and setting the layout manager for that pane. 4 image buttons are created and added to the content pane. Next, the applet is registered to receive action events that are generated by the buttons. A text field is then created and added to the applet. Finally, the handler for action events displays the command string that is associated with the button. The text field is used to represent this string. Like this, all the operations were done in the example. Consider example. Before that, consider the output for this. These are the 4 buttons and below there is one text field we have displayed. These are the 4 buttons 1 2 3 4 and this is the text field displayed. Like this design, when we are clicking on this button which displays the command for that country name for that button. Example button demo. See this, first of all import the packages. Whenever we are going to write the Java programming, first we need to import some packages. We have required here AWT swing AWT.event like this packages. Import java.awt.star semicolon import java.awt.event.star semicolon import javax.swing.star semicolon. Like these packages we have imported. Next, start the multi-line comment. Start the applet tag, applet code equal to JButton demo, our class name, width 250, height 300, tag close, applet tag close slash applet. Next, close the multi-line comment. Start class, public class JButton demo extends JApplet, implements action listener. Open the class body, curly bracket open. Here declare one text field variable, text field jText field JTF semicolon. Start the init method, public void init. Start the init method, open curly bracket. Here call the container content pane. Container content pane equal to get content pane. For JApplet we need to call the get content pane, get the content pane. Next, content pane dot set layout into bracket new flow layout. For this window we have set the flow layout. Next, use the image icon class. Image icon India equal to new image icon into bracket india.png. This is the image we have stored in same location of this file where we have stored the Java file. Next, J button JB equal to new J button into bracket India. We are passed the object of image icon. Next, JB dot set action command into bracket double quotation India. We are set the label for this button India. Action command we have set. Next, registration JB dot add action listener into bracket this. Next, after creating this control, we need to add this control to the content pane. So content pane dot add into bracket JB button object. Same way for another three controls, three buttons, we are writing the code here. Image icon Italy equal to new image icon into bracket double quotation italy.png double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. Next, JB equal to new J button Italy JB dot set action command into bracket Italy bracket complete semicolon. JB dot add action listener into bracket this. Next, content pane dot add into bracket JB bracket complete semicolon. Same for the Sweden. Image icon Sweden equal to new image icon sweden.png bracket complete semicolon. JB equal to new J button Sweden JB dot set action command into bracket Sweden JB dot add action listener into bracket this bracket complete semicolon. Next, content pane dot add JB. This command Sweden is added button. Next, image icon Russia equal to new image icon into bracket double quotation Russia dot png double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. JB equal to new J button into bracket Russia JB dot set action command into bracket double quotation Russia double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. Next, JB dot add action listener into bracket this registration. After this, add this control to the window content pane dot add JB bracket complete. Now initialize the J text field. JTF equal to new J text field into bracket 15 calls after content pane dot add JTF. Here close the init method. Whenever we are dealing with buttons, they generate the action event. So here we can use the action performed method public void action performed into bracket action event AE. Open this method JTF dot set text method JTF dot set text into bracket AE dot get action command. This method. Close the brackets, close semicolon, close the method action performed, close the class. JTF dot set text. For the text field we are setting the text which comes from the AE dot get action command method. On whichever the button we are clicking, that button's action command is picked and that is set to the JTF like this. Okay, see the output for this example. J button demo Java C J button demo dot Java. Compilation is successful. Applet viewer J button demo dot Java. See this, these are the 4 buttons, button 1 2 3 4. Whenever we are clicking on this button, its action command will be displayed here. When I'm clicking on the utility, displayed Sweden, Russia, like this 4 buttons which are having the icon on that is the flag as the icon, flags for the buttons, and this is our output. This way you can set the icon for the buttons, you can handle the events of the buttons like this way. This is the button example. Next we can see the checkboxes. The JCheckbox class, which provides the functionality of a checkbox, is a concrete implementation of abstract button. Its immediate superclass is JToggle button. JCheckbox immediate superclass is the JToggle button, which provides the support for 2-state buttons. JCheckbox has constructors and these are shown below. First one, JCheckbox icon I. Second, JCheckbox JCB capital, JCheckbox into bracket icon I comma boolean state. Here icon I specifies the icon for that checkbox. Boolean state specifies the checked or unchecked. By default that is false, means that is not checked. If we are passing the boolean state's value true, then that checkbox will be checked, already checked. Next, JCheckbox string yes, third constructor. Yes is the string shown for the checkbox. JCheckbox into bracket string yes comma boolean state. JCheckbox string yes comma icon I. JCheckbox into bracket string yes comma icon I boolean state. Like this there are 6 constructors for the checkbox class. Here I is the icon for the button. The text is specified by yes. If state is true, the checkbox is initially selected, otherwise it is not. The state of the checkbox can be changed via the following method. We can change the state of the checkbox by using this method, void set selected into bracket boolean state. Here state is true if the checkbox should be checked. Consider example. The following example illustrates how to create an applet that displays 4 checkboxes and a text field. When a checkbox is pressed, its text is displayed in the text field of the content pane for the JApplet object is obtained and a flow layout is assigned as its layout manager. Next, 4 checkboxes are added to the content pane and icons are assigned for the normal, rollover and selected states. The applet is then registered to receive atom events. Finally, a text field is added to the content pane. When a checkbox is selected or deselected, an atom event is generated. This is handled by atom state changed method. Inside atom state changed method, the get atom method gets the JCheckbox object that generated the event. The get text method gets the text for that checkbox and uses it to set the text inside the text field. See this example. These are the four checkboxes: C, C++, Java, Perl, like this. Whenever we are clicking on any one checkbox, that text will be displayed in a text field. Like this example is there. See the example. J checkbox demo. First, import the packages. Import java.awt.star semicolon. Import java.awt.event.star semicolon. Import javax.swing.star semicolon. Start multiline comment. Start applet tag. Applet code equal to J checkbox demo. Width equal to 400. Height equal to 50. Close this tag, close the applet tag, slash applet, close multiline comment, start the class, public class J checkbox demo, extends J applet, implements atom listener. Checkboxes generates the atom event, and to handle this atom events we need to implement the atom listener. Open the class body, open curly bracket, declare the J text field, J text field JTF semicolon. Start the init method, public void init, open curly bracket, call the content pane, container content pane equal to get content pane method. Next, content pane dot add content pane dot set layout into bracket flow layout, new flow layout, open close bracket, close the bracket, semicolon. Next, J checkbox CB equal to new J checkbox into bracket text C comma true, means already checked. CB dot add atom listener into bracket this registration, register the checkbox for listener. Next, content pane dot add into bracket CB, add this CB to the window. Like this way we can write the another checkboxes. CPP, we have written C, now write the CPP, CB equal to new checkbox CPP false, CB dot add atom listener into bracket this, content pane dot add into bracket CB bracket complete semicolon, CB equal to new J checkbox Java comma false bracket complete semicolon, CB dot add atom listener into bracket this bracket complete semicolon, content pane dot add into bracket CB bracket complete semicolon, CB equal to new J checkbox Perl double quotation complete comma false. Next, CB dot add atom listener into bracket this registration, add to content pane dot add into bracket CB. Like this way you can create the checkboxes and add to the window register for the listeners registration. Next, initialize the JTF equal to new JText field 15 content pane dot add into bracket JTF semicolon, close the init method, start item state changed method, public void item state changed into bracket item event I bracket complete, open curly bracket, J checkbox CB equal to into bracket typecast this into bracket J checkbox I dot get atom method. Okay, and output of this is the CB. Next, JTF dot set text method and CB dot get text method. I generates the atom event and get atom method gets the atom, that is the checkbox, and that is created in the CB, and that CB dot get text method takes the checkbox text and that is assigned to the JTF. So JTF dot set text into bracket cb dot get text open close bracket semicolon, close this method atom state changed curly bracket close the class. Like this way we can write the program for the checkboxes. See the output for this: java c j checkbox demo dot java, compilation is okay, applet viewer j checkbox demo dot java. See, this is the output for this window. For already C is checked. Whenever we are clicking on this, it item event is generated. C C++ Java Perl, like this, and next time clicking on this generates the events. Like this way you can create the checkboxes in Swing. This is the example for the checkbox. Okay guys, this is the output. Thank you for watching. Go thoroughly study these concepts. If any query, contact me, email or WhatsApp. Thank you.